right? Second way of creating table, okay, this one is very important, okay, very. So try to concentrate, try to understand it, okay. I'll go here, okay, harassment table I don't want to capture in this one, okay, so I will go back to default, right? Just go to tables, say new, very carefully observe it, okay, very simple but very powerful, okay. Just give any table, okay, B26 second table. I'll just give some name. We don't use it anymore, okay? Right. And as a standard practice, I will uncheck it. I don't want to create by module and all, okay? It came. Now I will select this one. If I select something here, that becomes second way of creating table. Is that correct? Yes. If I don't touch this one, it will be become first way of creating table. Okay. So now I have to check it. Okay. So how many tables are available in the tables table? So many, 4,800 something is there. Among those many, I can see 300 only. Okay, I can take any table from this list. Generally, okay, I will take task table here. Task. Why task? I'll cover little later. Task. Okay, task table. Right? Now, once
So why out of all the tables only 300 are visible on the
ah,
extended table?
that also we will see more. Okay, okay. How? Why? Why we don't know, but how we can check that? Let's say I want to check that. How we can check that? So now
Inter
here I should see 4,800 tables, but I can see only 300 tables. So what is the reason? Why? What is the reason? I want to
Dif-
check that.
difference
Reference
qualifier.
specifier. Yeah.
Difference qualifier.
Reference qualifier. Go here, tables, dictionary. Okay. Look for the look for the condition what they made it. Okay. It's coming up now. Hmm. So simple reference qualifier. Okay. Then what filter it have it? Extensible equal to true. Correct? Did you see it, Ma?
Yeah.
Hmm. Now go to the tables table, right? And here we have all the tables, right?
Mhm.
Extensible equal to true. So this is the reason. Okay. Now what is the meaning of extensible equal to true? We will see little later. Okay, fine. Yes, everyone.
Yeah.
Yes. Now come back to the step.
our 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 harassment table was not extendable, right?
No, no, sir, not extended. Okay. What is extended? I will cover it later. Okay. Now see here. I am creating the second way of creating table. I given the name. I selected task table. Now I just save it. When we are creating for first time, what happened, ma? If I save it, what will happen for first time?
Six
Six default columns
columns.
will come here,
Columns.
Columns.
right?
CC.
Very good. So now very carefully see.
It will be more column, I
Okay.
think.
So now how many columns came here? Very good. The page is not showing it. Okay. Now how many columns came here?
21.
71.
71. Very nice. Okay. This is the magic here. Okay.
So it
Now,
inherited from the task.
huh.
It inherited fields from task.
So now what happened here is you are creating something. It's like a clone. Not exactly the clone, but it's like a clone. Okay, I said like a, not exactly. Okay. What happens is you given one table here and you ask your system to create a new image from this image. Okay, so you go to task table and then see. Okay, so go here, say task table, and then try to understand the task table. How many columns are there in the task table? What are the definitions of them? Okay, so here how many columns are there in the task table? Closely 70 will be there. Okay, let's see how many are there here. 70, right? Everyone. So
Yes.
whatever the columns are available on task table, all the columns with their attributes, with their dictionary behaviors, dictionary definitions, everything will replicate here. Okay, plus extra one will be created. What is that? We will see later, not now. Okay, so that part you just ignore it for now. Okay, that also we can see, but not that much important. Only one extra, that is sysid. That table have a sysid, this table have. Okay, it will be a little confusing. Just wait. Now, okay, whatever the definitions that task table have it, the child table will also get the same definitions. Okay, we call them as inheritance, right? So this table inherited from task table. Okay, the task table will be called as parent table. Okay, and the created table u underscore b26. Okay, second table, whatever it is, we given the name. Okay, is called as child table, parent and child. And what is the relationship? What is the relationship? But these two columns are having it, ma? Inheritance. Okay, good. Till this point, everyone clear? Before I move to
Yes,
the
sir.
next. Okay, good. Sir, in the system level, do we have? Okay, so see here, I am showing two tables here. Okay, very carefully see. Okay, this is very important point. In this table, I have 71. Okay, in this table, I have 70. Very good. So if I go to dictionary, will I be saving 141 or will I be saving 71? You got my point, ma? You got my question?
I'm sorry, can you come again, sir?
Okay, so how many columns you can see for you can see for our second table? 71.
70.
Okay, so 71 dictionary entries are there, correct? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. In task table, how many dictionary entries are there?
70.
70.
71.
70.
So if I go to dictionary table, okay, let me go it. If I go to dictionary table, and look for a look for anyway I have it. Okay, very good. Okay, and so now how many I should get it here? This is what my question. Okay, the answer is this one. I didn't correct it. Task equal to task. Very good. Very good. And what is the table name? Correct. Give me a second, please.
What we are trying to do, Sridhar?
Nothing. 1 second, sir. We are just verifying. Okay, how many are there for this particular column? 71 and R and R. I kept and which was wrong. Okay. Okay. So now from this table and this table, how many columns should be there? This is what my question. Correct? Yes, everyone.
71.
So
141.
so the expectation is here we see 70, 71. Here we see 70. So 70 plus 71, how much? 141, right? We should see 141. Yes.
271.
Okay. Now observe it. So now go here, run it. How many I can see? From both tables, 73. Okay, fine. So what happened here? Okay, this is little confusing. Let's say like this. I will show the same concept in a different way. Okay, open this form, right? And open the form here, right? Now you see the same image of task image, correct? Do you see the image for our table is same like task image, and you see the same image in so many places? Yes? Yes. Now I go here, short description, right click, configure dictionary. I'm opening it. Very carefully observe it. Okay, where I'm opening it? Am I opening from task table or am I opening from our child table?
Child table.
Child
Child
table.
table.
Okay, child table, short description, configure dictionary. I open it. Now the short description is field is belongs to child table or some other table.
Parent table.
Task table.
Parent
Parent.
table. That means do we have two short description fields or do we have only one short description field on parent table level?
Only one.
Everyone, you understood this point? We have two or one?
One.
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 So what happens here is system don't create 70 columns, 80 columns again. It's just to take the image of the existing table. Where we see the same topic. Where we see the same topic earlier?
Yes.
Choices.
Yes.
So when we inherited the choice from incident table, state field choices, this is how. We didn't create a new choice. System didn't create a new choices. It took the image of existing choices list into our choice list. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, everyone, this point is clear. Second way of creating table.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Inheritance concept is clear.
Yes.
Yes, everyone. Any no here?
Yeah, one
Only
question,
till
sir.
this point. Only till this point. Questions, please wait. Till this point, everyone understood? Because
So,
questions, yes.
oh, the parent had 70 and the child had 70, so it had inherited 72. But when you see the reference here, it is referring when the table in the hyperlink where in the next to the div, it is saying it is referencing. So what is a table that it is storing this particular dictionary entry? It is saying this is referencing to this child table,
Where you
but
see referencing to the child table. No?
uh, in the hyperlink in the URL,
Correct. So it is
it
telling
is
you,
referring
it is also telling you the same. See here, that's what we are discussing here. So I came from which table?
child table. Yeah.
Child table, short description. My assumption like this is, this field is belongs to this table. That's what my confusion is. Correct. Now
Yes.
I opened here from which table? This table. Now
Okay.
it is opening which dictionary? Which table
Task.
dictionary? Task dictionary. But we are still telling the system is telling you are referencing this one. Okay. But
Oh,
this is a dictionary of different field, different table, which is task table.
okay.
Correct? Okay, that we don't need it. Okay, this one we don't need it. But our topic, inheritance topic is clear.
Yeah.
Everyone, yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now further. Okay, I will cover all the questions, sir. Please give me 2 minutes. Okay, sorry to stop you because if I take questions now, this flow will be hampered. Okay. Now second, why we need to use this method? Why we go for this method to create a table? Okay. Why can't we go for a direct creation of table? So if I go for this model, then what is the advantage we will get?
We'll reuse the models.
Sorry,
We'll reuse whatever is existing in the parent table. We don't
reuse
have to create it again.
reusability. Okay, reusability. Okay, then time,
Avoid the duplication. Yeah.
avoid the duplication. Okay, then it will save
Mm,
a lot of time,
yeah.
right? What else?
It will be easy for us to know instead of creating lot many. Simple for us.
Okay, so easy, reusability and easy. Okay, very good. So
And
now,
it helps.
yes, yes, sir.
What about the relationship? Because, example, I am connecting to the task table, and anyway, task has many to many relationship with other tables also, right?
Yes,
So, in case of some kind of reporting, I think this might help.
yes. Okay, I'll cover it. Okay, we can take class type is change incident or something. We can have it. Okay, good. And moreover, apart from these three, can I say data? What is that? Data. Very good. Very good. What do you call of maintaining the same kind of standards across the platform?
Consistency.
Consistency. Yes. Data consistency. Okay. So why I said this one is data consistency. Now I will open, so to make this particular, okay, sentence in a more manner, okay, what is the parent table name? Task, and I will say list. Okay, then let's create one field here. Okay, B26. Okay, B20 form is there, no? Just create one particular record. Just create a record. Okay, so just give something, test B26, test B26. Okay, just create one first record. Okay, now I am going to table. Okay, task.list, and when I open task.list, do you see only task records here, or do you see every record of child, parent, everything? So here we are seeing, okay, changes. And if I just go to the second tab, I may see tasks, okay, incidents, problems, even our B26 also. Now we created one record for B26. That also will show here. Is that showing?
Yes.
Yes. So across the all family, now this is like mother, parent, and child. These are all childs, sons, daughters, and all. Are we seeing the data under one tree? Yes. And second thing is, every table data have the same kind of structure, short description, assignment group number. Okay, all the 70 fields will be there in every table, correct? If I take any table, okay, see here, I don't know anything about this table. Okay, first time I am listening about this table. Okay, let's say like this catalog. Okay, upgrade history task table, I don't know that.
Hey, Sridhar, when you created that record, we don't see 70 tables in the form.
But form layout is not showing it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now I don't know anything about this table, but open one record and then look for the data or the fields. Are we seeing the same kind of fields in my table also, incident table, child table, and all? We can get all, it is not showing it, but we can get all the tables and then keep it. It is showing the similar way. Yes, we see all the other tables also, short description, assignment group,
Correct.
assigned to, everything will be there. Okay, I just went to form layout, it is coming up. So now this is the data consistency. We across the all tables maintain the similar kind of data image that makes our job more easy. You got it now? Do you see all these fields somewhere? We seen it from last 14 days, 15 days in other tables also, right? Yes, ma? Is that correct? Closure notes, closure code, okay, type, everything. Where we seen it? On incident table we seen it, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Then last point. Sir, can I use this copy, means this method, for any table creation? Let's say tomorrow you got one requirement, okay? They ask to develop one application, okay? Maybe some ABC application, like let's say our harassment application, okay? Can I use this image, task image, for my harassment based application or some extra, maybe some Godam maintenance application? Can I use it?
Yes.
Yes or no? If the model is,
No.
yeah,
No.
yes or no,
Yeah,
both.
we need to check.
Yes or no, both.
No.
What kind of
No.
data we need, based on that we can decide that.
Yes.
If you want to
So,
extend it, then you want to use it.
no, ma. If we want to extend it, we can extend it. It's not our choice, ma. Okay. So, if any table, so see here. Now I'm going back to again tables. Okay. We have 300 tables here, right? So, any table image is matching with your requirement image, then you take that as image. Correct? sys underscore db underscore object table. So, out of these 300, list. Out of these 300 tables, if any table is matching with your requirement image, then you take that as a parent. Correct? Task is one of the image. Maybe I want to capture, maybe see here, I want to capture, there is a asset table. Asset table is to capture the assets, computer, laptop, desktop, everything is an asset. Okay. So this have the image of it. So I will open it. You see it. Okay. So like this. Give me a second. So there is an asset table where it stores the data of assets, computer, laptop, desktop, okay, monitor, keyboard, everything is an asset in the organization, right? So you manage the asset information in the asset table. Now, your company is a product-based company. They are developing some kind of devices, maybe chips, not our potato chips, but our computer chips. Okay, so that chip information you want to store it. Chips, computer table name is chips. Okay, so you take the image of task table or you take the image of asset table.
Acceptable.
Asset table, because it gives little, okay, it gives me more meaningful fields. Okay, it matches my requirement. Okay, good. This is second point. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
along with the parent table, can we add more fields of our requirement?
Coming to that much. Third point. That is the third point. Okay. Second point is clear. First point is inheritance. Second point is okay. Create or not create. Okay. How you take the decision. Okay. Good. Third point. Please keep it on mute now. Now let's go to incident table. Okay. So incident table. Okay. Caller field is there. Right click, configure dictionary. So now you tell me this came from parent image or this came only for child?
Child.
Yes, child. So is that created separately on child or is that like we need to create it in parent also? If it, you got my question? This is the answer for your question, ma. Okay.
Yes.
So let's say you created one table, B26 table. Okay. Test table. In this table, you want maybe 10 new fields which are not came from parent. You can create it. Okay, and it will not replicate in parent, it will only replicate in child if you create it on child table. You got my question? You got my point?
Yes.
Everyone here? Okay.
So like task table wise, so like other tables also there. Those are the 4 tables.
Like task table, what is the question, ma?
Like task table, that is a 4 table for incident and problem and thing,
Master
right?
table.
Like some other 4 table also there.
We see now 300 tables are there, na?
Okay.
Asset table is one example we seen it, right?
Yes.
Yes. So let's say I will create one column for B26 only. Okay, I'm creating it. Okay, B26 test string fill. I just want to make it in a very simple way. Okay, so let's move it up. Very carefully observe. We are creating it. I am creating only on child table level. Okay, that means we will see the results. Okay, so where is that B26? So now is this only available on child or this is available on parent also? Okay,
Only on
it is only available on child. Okay, just check it. Correct?
Can we also drop the existing column?
Can we also drop the existing column means what, ma?
Already extended from parent.
Drop
That
means
will-
what?
Inactive.
We don't.
Sir, my
I
question.
Don't
You
show
know
because
it.
I don't want it.
Don't show it in the form. No?
He's asking to delete a field from B26, which is from task.
No.
Will it B26 replicate to the other child tables which has been extended from the task?
No. I'm coming to that point. Point by point, I'm coming it. Okay.
Okay.
So this point is clear, everyone. If I create a field on child table, that it will be only available on child table. This point is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Now, if I go and create a field on parent table task, okay, what will happen?
To inherit it to child.
It should inherit into the child table also.
How many child tables? So the answer is these many child tables. So here, how many tables are extended from task table? Okay, 49 tables. So if I create one column on task table level, all 49 tables will get that field also, because the parent image is replicating everywhere, correct?
So, sir, we can't control the visibility based on roles.
Why
or
roles
something?
came into picture? This is on high level, very high level.
Okay.
Your child will get your properties. That's it. Okay. Roles.
So if you add one field in the parent table, so the already existing is using the application, so automatically reflected or any
That's not my
refresh or
point.
some
That's
sync.
not my point. So everywhere it will reflect. If I create one thing here, if I change one thing here, it reflect everywhere, because that's the inheritance process. That's how so far it came. Correct? I just created one field. I got everything from that parent table. And if something happens to the parent table, it all see here. We are not. There are no two copies. Correct? Are there two copies? Are 48 copies, 49 copies, or only one copy? How many images we have it?
One image.
One image. Okay. The one image you are seeing everywhere. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. So if that image is changed, it also changes everywhere. Correct? Replicate.
Yes.
Yes. There is one movie called Bhairudipam in Telugu, and in English, Arnold movie is there. Okay. Very old movie. In that, I don't. I'm why my mind is not working today. Arnold.
Terminator.
No, ma. Before that, it's like Farah's old movies. Very old movie. It's something like It's for us. It's like a Bhairudipam. For us, Bhairudipam is copied like from there. Karan the Barbarian. Okay. In the Karan the Barbarian, there is a fight called mirror fight. You know that, huh? Mirror scene, mirror fight. Okay. This fight, it is there in Telugu also. Bhairudipam, copy pasted. Okay. So this guy will come from mirror, and the hero enters into a kind of hall where he sees so many mirrors like this. It's a circle. This guy will come from one mirror, and he's very strong, and he do mix of this guy. Okay, everything. Finally, he can't do anything. That time, what he will do? In one of the hit, he hits one of the mirror. One of the mirror, not 72 mirrors. Okay. When he hits that, then this guy will get scratches in the belly. Then the hero will realize, okay, then this is the trick. I need to break all the mirrors. Then he will take his swords and then break all the mirrors. Automatically, the guy will die. Okay. So here, this is task table. All these mirrors are child tables. This particular scenario is the reverse. Okay, but our scenario is in the other way. This guy is the task table. Everywhere you see this guy image will be there in all the mirrors. We have only one image, not 70, 40, 50 images. You are getting it now? Yes? He will be appeared in every image. He will go and try to do anything. Nothing will happen. Then once after he is breaking the mirrors, then this guy will die. You got the scene? Yes. You got the concept? Yes. Where is Service now?
Yes,
Where is Canon? Where is Barbarian? Where is Arnold, sir? Okay. Yes. Good. Now, okay, this is the third point. If anything happens to the parent table, it affects every child table. If you do something to the child table level, it is limited to only child table level. It will not pass to any other tables. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes. So, till this point, everyone clear? Before we jump into next important point, very important point, low level point. Till this point clear? We see inheritance, why we will create this way, okay, and how you take the decision whether to create or not create. And if you create something on parent, okay, it will come to everything on child. Okay, if you create something on child, it will not create anything to the problem. Okay, or parent, it will not go. That's it. It will be it will be limited to only that child. Okay, these are the points I covered. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, sir. Sir, the child table, if it has one of the parent table's fields, can it override the behavior?
Coming, ma. Till this point, everyone clear?
Okay. Yeah.